महोदय प्रारम्भं करोतु।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो
श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।
नमः। हरिः
हरिः
ॐ।
ओम्। धन्यवादः महोदय, धन्यवादः। उत्तमरीत्या कृतवान्। अस्तु, प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। किञ्चित् पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। प्रथमं this तव तु रूपाणि, just we will revise them quickly so that we refresh them. Whatever we have studied, we finished this, and another thing, another new topic is being started today. So before that, we will do that. So this column is dhatuhu, then pratipadikam, तत्पश्चात पुल्लिंग एकवचने एवं बहुवचने, स्त्रीलिंग रूपम अपि एकवचने बहुवचने, and तत्पश्चात नपुंसकलिंग एकवचने बहुवचने. So प्रथमं पठधातु. So pathitvata, takarant will only be the pratipadikam. All pratipadikam for tavatu rupani will be takarant shabdah. So pathitavata. You need not worry about this pratipadikam, but you should know it should be a takaranta shabdah. So ekavachane kim pathitvan and pathitavantah. Remember van and vantah. So स्त्रीलिंगे वती, पठितवती and पठितवत्यः. तत्पश्चात नपुंसकलिंगे किं भवति? पठितवत् and पठितवन्ति. So what is common here? Pathit is common. This vat is changing according to the linga. So vat is changing van, vantah, vati, vatyah, and Napunsakalinge, this vat remains intact, but the bahuvachane it becomes vanti. So similarly, all these dhatuhu and their rupani. So any problem in memorizing this? Are you feeling difficulty how to do this?
Na Mahoday.
Okay. So if I
No,
say kathitvat, then you have to remember katha, and patitvat, then dhatu rupani. Gradually it comes with the abhyasaha only. There is no way you can take out the sheet and start mugging up. That is not possible. As you people grow in doing the abhyasaha, making sentences, using them in your daily uses, when we come to the class, most of the time what I say, gata kakshayam pathitavantah. So see here, pathitavantah is there. So we all did the study of this. So what
But
I
it's
wish,
it is always takara, ma'am.
yeah,
It's only
this
for takara.
tav, yeah, takaranta shabdah. It is
Okay.
always the takar. Tavatu rupani means takaranta shabdah. That is for sure.
Okay.
This is ta pratyaya, na? So one of the ta pratyaya we
Tava.
are studying here is tavatu.
Tava.
So tavata. There is a combination word tavatu. So
Tava.
ukaraha is shaded off. Tavata remains. As soon as you remove this matra ukara, hrisa ukaraha, so this ta becomes a consonant, a vyanjanam. That is why it acquires halanta. So tavata is the shabdah that is being used to formulate all pullinga and strilinga shabdaha. So that is why the pratipadikam pathita vata. Astu? So go on repeating it, using in your sentences, doing abhyasaha. That's when you would remember all these things. No way to just do mugging. If you mug up also, one day you will make mistakes. Okay, what was that? If you remember the dhatu, it will be easy for you. And whenever you use any kriya padam or nama padam, try to find out what is the pratipadikam for that. And if you say kriya padam, you are going to use a kriya padam, try to find out what is the dhatu behind it. So this is a good practice to study with the dhatu and with the pratipadikam. So
Madam, this twa is, it is not found in any Sanskrit word. What are the combination of this before the ka pavatu?
yeah, half ka, ta, sampurna ta, and then va tu.
Please repeat.
Half ka, complete ta,
okay,
and va, then tu. So ukaraha is dropped, and then first half ka is dropped. So tavat remains for uses.
Oh, it's tavatu, not vakatu.
Tavat remains.
Okay.
Ukaraha is not there when it comes to the uses.
Okay. But it is not. This letter is not found in the either in the alphabet or the.
It's way of this. Many times it is written in different shape. So means half ka and full ta. You type this. So many times this comes. Many times whatever we are speaking, the same way it comes. So there are two different ways of writing it. Depends upon what I am using Azagi. So many times it is using this way.
Okay, thanks.
Half ka and full ta. That is the.
Okay.
So Agre, it was a small recap, and we should remember this. If you remember Pullinga, then other Pullinga forms may fall parallelly to that. So you have to remember the pattern also. Pattern will help you. Okay, Akaranta Pullinga, how it goes? Here we are talking about Takaranta. But if it is Akaranta Pullinga, then we have to remember, we have to do it like Rama Shabdaha. Okay, Ikaranta, then we should remember Hari. So whatever, only 3-4 forms you have to remember. Other things parallelly you have to place it. It's a pattern that you have to observe. So here what I say, you have to remember Van and Vantaha. This is the pattern. So you should remember this, then other things you would be able to do it. And that too I say it will take time. So, okay. So need not be bothered about, I don't remember how it is progressing so fast and I'm not able to come up with this. So it's not like that. With the practice and exercise only it will come. So today it's a new topic we are going to study. As we know that we have studied up till now suffixes, that is pratyaya. So may it be sup pratyaya, may it be ting pratyaya, or may it be ta pratyaya. They all come after the mool shabdah. So sup pratyaya with the pratipadikam after that, and ting after dhatu, but after the dhatu, and ta or after dhatu, but after the dhatu. So after is common in pratyaya. Now here we are going to study something that is before. So quite reverse of that. So when something getting adds on before something, that is called prefixes. They come before the mool shabda. So kim adya kim pashyamaha. What are the upsarga list? What is the list? There are only 22 upsarga. What are their examples and how do they convey the meaning? So this is a means a listing how in what way we are going to progress to study upsargaha. Shall we move ahead? Any prashna?
Mahoday.
Upasargas, Upasarga and Avayam both are same, Mahoday.
Upasargaha are avyayam. But what are the avyayam? I will just show you. Upasargaha, there are 22. They are all avyayam. So avyayam, when we say, it means it is not going to change when it is put to use. It remains as it is. There are no rupani you can derive for those avyayani. So avyayani na vyayam iti avyayam. It is not, it cannot be added on, it cannot be deleted or means lessened. So whatever it is, it remains as it is. Simply its uses makes the meaning different. Whenever you use it, the meaning changes. That word entirely shows sometimes a very different meaning. So that is the uses of the how to, when you use your sentences, how to beautify that. And with this very small change of adding upsarga, how the entire meaning changes. What else are their attributes of the upsarga we are going to study today. So coming to the first introduction. Astu Natarajan Mohoday, Bhavan पठतु कृपया.
Upasargaha. First one, Balakah Shalam Gachati. The boy goes to school. Second, Balakah Graham Agachati. The boy comes home. Sita comes home. So Gachati Agach. Sita Ramam Anugachati. Sita follows. Anu is Sita follows Rama.
The screen is properly visible, na Mahoday?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay. So you always said that Balakah Shalam Gachati, and when you have to say that he is coming from the school to home or to some other place, from the somewhere and coming to some place, you simply add a. So we are seeing here Sita Ramam Anugachati. Agachati and Gachati, you know it well, but Anugachati, Gachati is common. So what is making the difference here? This red, with the red color, I have mentioned here, A and Anu. So if you put A before Gachati, the meaning reverses. Gachati is going, Agachati is coming. Similarly, if you put Anu before Gachati, it means Anugachanam means Anugamanam means following something. Anugamanam. We say na ki Sita अनुगमन कृतवती. रामेण सह वनं प्रति अनुगमन कृतवती. Another way of telling the same sentence. Sita Ramam anugacchati. To whom she follows? Ramam. So this is karma padam. Ramam anugacchati. Agre Parvati Mahodaya Bhavati Pathatu.
Shishyaha Gurum Upagachati. The disciple approaches the teacher. Vishwamitraha Brahma Rishi Padam Adhigachati. Vishwamitraha attains the abode of Brahma Rishi. Balakaha Vishayam Avagachati. The boy understands the subject.
So here also the same gachati is common. But what we are doing, we are adding this
Upa.
prefix different and getting
Upa.
different meanings. Pardon me, who wants to say something?
So Upa, Adi,
Upa.
and Ava. Ava.
Ava. Yes. Upa generally means samipe. And one more thing I wanted to express here, that we should not just fix this adhi to of one particular meaning. There are many meanings adhi will bring to you. But here, for the sake of introduction, what we are going to do, we are going to say that when it is upa is samipe, closeness. So shishyaha gurum samipe gachati, upagachati, approaches or he sits close to the guru. Shishyaha gurum upagachati. So similarly, Vishwamitraha Brahmarshi Padam Adhigachati. He attains that. So Avagachati is Ava means he understands. So these are one means Gachati, one dhatu. When added with different avyayani, they are all avyayani. Adhi remains adhi for all the words. It does not change. That's why avyayam. Ava remains ava, does not change. That's why avyayam. Similarly, up remains up for all the usage. It does not change. That's why avyayam. So upa, adhi, ava. And previous slides we studied A and Anu. So these are all upasargaha. Coming to its meaning. कस्य अवसरः? उमा महोदय भवती पठतु.
उपसर्गाः के ये शब्दाः धातुना सह योगं प्राप्य अर्थबोधयन्ति ते एव उपसर्गाः. उदाहरणार्थ गच्छति आगच्छति भवति.
आगच्छति भवति. So ये शब्दाः, those words, धातुना सह, with धातुना, this is तृतीया एकवचनम, उकारांत शब्दः, with धातु योगम प्राप्य. योगम इत्युक्ते combination or combining, having attained the combination with dhatu, artham bodhayanti, a meaning they bring certain meaning. Te eva upasargaha, they are called upasargaha. This way we draw the meaning of the Sanskrita vakyam here. Udaharanam gachati, when we add ag, then it becomes agachati and the meaning reverses, going and coming. महोदय एतदेव पठतु, अग्रे अपि पठतु।
Ma'am, I had a doubt here.
वदतु।
Agachati is to agachati is to return. I get confused with the past tense of gachati also. That is agacha.
You tell me any lang lakar rupam.
Gachati, it will be agachat. It will be
अपठत, अपठताम, अपठन, अपठ, अपठतम, अपठत, अपठानि, अपठाव, अपठाम. There is no a.
So for agachati, what will be the past tense? I get confused.
No. Agachati is like independent kriya padam, like gachati.
So the past tense, lang lakar will be agachat, agachatam.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So like agachat, agachatam, agachan, you have to say agachatta, agachatam, agachan.
But
It's independent kriya padam. Okay. So agre api pathatu महोदय।
उपसर्गः उपसमीपे प्लस वर्गः सर्गः सर्गः सृष्टि एवं रचना।
Let me explain it. Upasargah has been coined with the help of two words. If we do Sandhi Vichchedanam here, Upa and Sargah. Ityukte Samipe, something that is close to someone or something. Sargah means Shrishtihi, doing some rachna, some creation. So when something comes close, some special creation is done. That is upasargaha. So when upasargaha comes closer to a dhatu and it gets added before it, a new word is formed. They are 22 in numbers. And how they are written? As below. So, कस्य अवसरः? फणिराज महोदय, भवान् पठतु. These 22 उपसर्गाः are listed here. कृपया पठतु.
अस्तु। प्र, वि, परा, अप, सम, अनु, अव, निर, निस, दुर, अति, दुस, प्रति, सु, उद, अधि, परि, अपि, आ, अभि, नि, उप।
So these are 22 in number. They are used differently to express different meanings. We will gradually improve upon the topic in the next slides. Here I wanted to express something, that there are 6 upasargaah with halanta. Others are without halanta. So Fariraj Mahoday, point out those 6 with halantaah.
निर, निस, दुर, दुस, उद,
You
अस्तु।
said 5. You read 5 only.
One more. Some.
Yeah, some. Yes. So some, nir, nis, dur, dus, and ud. So there are 6. We remember them whenever you independently say them. Otherwise, they are all with the addition in the addition of the dhatu, na. So you don't have to worry about halanta. But independently, if you are asked what are those 22 upasargaah, you should know where to put halanta, where not to put. Okay, so there are 6. Agre gacchamaha. ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् पठतु प्रथमम्।
उपसर्गः सदा धातोः पूर्वं
Hmm.
भवन्ति.
Hmm.
They are
Ah.
always
Before.
before the dhatu.
Before the dhatu. And what is the udaharan?
Udaharan prati added to gam becomes pratigacchati.
Pratigacchati. Okay. So prati gam pratigacchati. So what does this sentence means? Upasargaha sada dhatoh purvam bhavanti. They come before the dhatu always. Like we did pratyaya, always after something. So this is upasargaha coming before something. That is the main contrast between upasargaha and pratyaya. Astu. So prati plus gam pratigacchati. Agre Natarajan Mahoday, Bhavan Patatu.
उपसर्ग
Ishwaran Mahoday,
Yeah.
Mahoday, it is clear?
Yeah.
अस्तु महोदय पठतु.
उपसर्गस्य धातोः च मध्ये यदि संदेह अवकाशः अस्ति चेत् संधिः कर्तव्यः.
आङ्ग्लभाषायां पठतु.
Sandhi has to be performed between upasarga and dhatu if there is a possibility.
So this is talking about sandhi. If sandhi has some rules, so if this upasargaha, between upasargaha and dhatu, if there is a condition that invites sandhi also, you have to be careful and have to produce the fine result after sandhi. How? This one also, udaharanam api patatu mahoday.
Udaharanam, gam dhatu, lang lakarah, agacchata.
Agachat.
Agachat. Prati plus gam, prati plus gam, lang lakara becomes prati plus agachat becomes pratyagachat. E and a.
So, E and A becomes ya. So, this is a sandhi. This is sandhi karyam. E, hrisva ikaraha, agre swaraha asti, melanam paschat, ikaraha becomes yakaraha.
Yeah.
And when you remove this hrisva ikaraha, ta becomes a consonant of vyanjanam. So, prat, hrisva ikaraha changes into yakaraha, and a and e, they are changing, and yakaraha comes, gachat remains as it is. So this is very important when upasargaah are used with lang lakaraha. This is important for the lang lakaraha only. So if you write by mistake a and pratigachat, because you have up till now you have used pratigachati. So if you say a first, means agachat, you remove a from here and just add pratigachat, pratigachat, this is wrong. Asamichinam rupam. So what you have to do, simply you have to you have to separate the upasargaha first and then see Langalakara, what are the rupani for Langalakaraha? So Pratya Gachat. So these are the few very simple rules. You will practice and you will come to remember them. Agre Parvati Mahoday, कृपया पठतु.
ये अव्ययापन अपि पठा. This अव्यय
No,
also I have to be.
Not
Okay.
needed, not needed.
Okay. एकस्मिन् एव समये द्वयोः वा बहुनाम् उपसर्गाणां उपयोगः कर्तुं शक्यते.
एकस्मिन्नेव समये, in one time
case,
only, at one single time, द्वयोः
उपयोग-
वा bahunam, many or two upasarganam of the upasarga, this is षष्ठी बहुवचनम, of many upasargaः उपयोगं कर्तुं
उपयोगं-
शक्यते. We
Oh,
can
we
make
can do.
use of two or many. So just one example. तदपि पठतु महोदय.
उदाहरण निर
Hmm.
प्लस आ प्लस कृ
Hmm.
निराकरोति. निराकरोति.
So how many of if I give you this word nirakaroti and I ask you how many upsargaah are used here, then you simply how many can you know this 22, then you would be able to say there are
Say.
two, nir
Yeah.
and a. This ang is written na, ang is nothing, vyakaran upyogam asti tatra, parantu we would say it a, dirgha a. So nir a and kri dhatu becomes karoti,
करोति.
nira karoti. Agre api
करोति.
patatu mahoday.
सम प्लस अभि प्लस बी प्लस आ प्लस हना.
Hri,
It's a
hri,
or just a?
hridaya.
Kr. Oh,
A is
kr.
hri.
Okay, I'm seeing it from
Hridaya.
the mobile, so okay.
Acha,
Kr.
acha. हाँ.
Kr.
हाँ.
Sum plus abhi plus v
Hmm.
plus a plus kr equals samabhivyaharati.
हाँ,
Samabhivyaharati.
हाँ, उत्तमं महोदय. Then how many उपसर्गाः? One, some,
Abhi, abhi plus v 3 and a
a
4.
4. हाँ. So there are 4 upsarga at one time. So this what this statement says, ekasmin eva samaye, in only one time, in one uses, two or many upsargaah, we can make use of them.
So,
Making sense?
what is it? So it will be difficult to know. I mean, for us, when we just see this word without all this, samabhivyaharati, that there are so many upasargas. It will come with practice, I suppose.
Yes, if Sanskrit means abhyasaha mahoday. Even if you say, give me
we should
some
also
very
know this
typical.
root dhatu, kr. That
Ah,
also we should know. Kr,
yes.
kr.
As soon as you progress, you finish this class, on going into the next class, you will immediately recognize this dhatu. Harati means hri dhatu. As you know, pathati means patha dhatu.
Acha.
So it has become simple to you because there are many uses you have done. Path, likha, hasa, dhava, kri, da, all these are simple. When you started Sasyam studies, you did not know that, Mahoday. So it's a journey, very beautiful journey, but gradual. So be patient with it. This Sama Vyaharati, if you give to me, I will have. I will also have to look at it a few seconds. What are those? Then I have to remember this. Ki is it an upasarga or something else? I'm making just imagining that there is an upasarga. I will also have to look at it, Mahoday. It's not easy. So this is just to show that how two or more can be used. It does not mean you have to.
V plus A, because of that Sandhi rule, will become Vya.
Vya.
Right?
Tamam.
Vya.
Yes. Yeah.
We saw
So
earlier.
wherever ikaraha, hrisva ikaraha, and tat pashat swaraha kim swaraha asti. That makes the difference because you have not studied Sandhi, It is not expected from you to do all these things. Small sandhi you would come without knowing that we are studying sandhi now. You will come to know it. Okay.
Mahodaya, one question on the previous one. What is the meaning of that word? Samabhivyaharati. What will be the meaning?
Sequel behavior. Vyaharati is behavior. Hri dhatu is very means versatile dhatu. You would come in the next in the next slide. Samabhivyaharati. Samana vyavaharam.
Oh, samana vyavaharam. Okay.
Vyavaharati vyavaharam karoti. Samana eva vyavaharam karoti. Equal behavior. So that is the meaning.
And nirakaroti means to
solve something. Some problem
solve,
comes. Some problem comes, and you are asked to do the nirakaranam. So, kim nirakaranam asti for such samasya? So, you suggest a solution. Nirakaranam is the producing some samadhanam. Samadhanam karoti. Agre gacchamaha. Who did this one? Parvati Mahoday did na? Uma Mahoday. भवत्याः अवसरः पठतु.
उपसर्गस्य त्रीणि कार्याणि सन्ति तानि
त्रीणि इत्युक्ते
उपसर्गा have three functions.
Three functions. उत्तमं महोदय. पठतु.
धातोः अर्थ बाधते. अर्थं बाधते. उपसर्गाणां योगेन क्वचित् धातोः अर्थः परिवर्तितः भवति. So change in meaning.
Change in meaning. Now I give you the how you come to this meaning of this sentence. Dhatoho artham. Dhatoho ye उकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दः गुरोः षष्ठी एकवचनम धातोः of the dhatu badhate is creating hindrance, obstruction. In what it is going to create the obstruction? Artham. So of the dhatu, whatever the meaning is, it creates obstruction. The first karyani. First of the three karyani, first function is that it creates the change in the meaning. You get my point? Dhatoho of the dhatu, shashthi ekavachanam, artham, badhate. Badhate is kriyapadam, badha is the dhatu. So it creates obstruction or it changes the meaning. Upasarganam yogena क्वचित धातोः अर्थः परिवर्तितः भवति. With the yogena means तृतीया एकवचनम, उपसर्गाणां षष्ठी बहुवचनम. So with the combination of upasargaah, some dhatu are there whose meaning changes. So this for example, what happens? Mahoday patatu, Uma Mahoday.
उदाहरणार्थ गच्छति goes, a plus gam becomes agachati comes.
So what is the a? When you add upsargah, a is added to some dhatu, the meaning changes. So you have seen this example in the previous slides also. So going becomes coming, but only with the addition of a. Small a is added and entire meaning changes. That is the change in the meaning. Agre api pathatu Mahoday.
Vadati tells. Anu plus vada becomes anuvadati. That is repeats.
Repeat. Whatever I say, you go on repeating that. So you are anu. You are anu. Bhavati anuvadati. Okay. धातोः अस्य अवसरः फणिराज महोदय. धन्यवादः महोदय. फणिराज महोदय भवानेव पठतु।
अस्तु अस्तु धातोः it's little small this fonts okay large धातोः अर्थम् अनुवर्तते धातोः अर्थम् अनुवर्तते उपसर्गाणां योगेन क्वचित् धातोः अर्थः परिवर्तनः न भवति।
हियर भवति अत्र न भवति। पूर्णं करोतु। अग्रे
पूर्वस्य क्रियापदस्य एव अर्थः भवति। Same meaning.
No change. So
No
what it
change.
says, second function, what is the second function? Dhatoh artham anuvartate. Anuvartanam means whatever it is, it remains as it is. Anuvartanam. Anuvadanam is repetition. Whatever it is, it goes on repeating the same thing. Anuvartanam remaining the same, not changing at all. So with the combination of some upasargaha, the main meaning of the dhatu does not change. Whatever the purvasya kriyapadasya eva arthaha bhavati, whatever the meaning is, it remains the same. Udaharanam patthatu mहोदय.
Vishati enters. Pravishati also enters.
So vish is the dhatu. Vishati is enters. If you add pra with vish, pravishati, that also enters. Pravesh, you know Mahoday, pravesha dwar. So we generally do not say vesha dwara. We say pravesha dwara. Pra here is adding in the beauty of the word. Pravesha dwara, pravishati, enters. So agre Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavanev patatu. Ishwaran Mahoday.
Third, dhatoh artham vishinashti upasargam yogena upasarganam yogena क्वचित् धातोः अर्थः विशेषकार्यं लभते. Attributes of a particular dhatu might change. Example.
So, attributes is what? Characteristics. Characteristics of the dhatu might change. Udaharanam patatu Mahoday.
Jayati परस्मैपदी धातुः V plus G विजयते आत्मनेपदी धातु.
Here G, J plus hraswaikarah. G is the dhatu. The blue color is the dhatu. And V is the upasargaha. So if upasargaha nasti, this dhatu rupani katham bhavati parasmaipadi dhatu? Jayati jayatah jayanti. Jayasi jayatah jayatha. Jayami jayavah jayamaha. Pathalike. Okay. Parantu, when you add upasargaha V to the dhatu, it becomes V plus jayate. It's not now jayati jayatah jayanti. What it becomes? Vijayate vijayete vijayante. The atmanepadi dhatu rupani differently go. Bhashate bhashyate bhashante. So simply by adding one upasargaha, this characteristics of the Ji dhatu changes. Ji dhatu is parasmaipadi dhatu, parantu upasargaha V is added, it becomes a atmanepadi dhatu. Just I am giving you the introduction. Do not get overwhelmed by how I would remember all this. Not to worry about. Simply you remember this, ki there are few upasargaha. When they combine with the dhatu, They changed from Parasmaipadi to Atmanipadi. Only this much you remember, nothing else. Okay? So, don't get bothered about this. Simply rule 3 functions you remember. First function, meaning may change. Second function, there may not be any change in the meaning. Third function, there are certain upasargaha, they change the characteristics of the dhatu from parasmai to atmane. If you remember ji dhatu, this is very nice. So 3 functions. Agre gacchamaha. Natarajan Mahoday.
Upasargaha. How to use an upasargaha? It might change the meaning. Udaharanam, gachanti. Adding a upasarga sang, sangachanti. They go becomes they meet.
They meet. Sangachanti means samgachanti. Some is coming together. So samgachanti, they meet or they go together. Both ways you can express the meaning. Samgachanti. So sam is the upasargaha being added here. Agree?
Nayanti. Some added to Nayanti. Sannayanti. Samnayanti. They lead becomes they unite. Lead others together.
So Nayanti is leading. Nayati, leaders. From Nayati, probably somehow the variation comes and it becomes Nayakaha. The Nayak, what it leads. Leader, Nayak, that leads. So Nayanti, they lead. And if you add some upasargaha, they unite people together or they lead it, lead the group. So lead others together. So this way it says that upasargaha, how do we put it in uses? Sometimes gachanti and you have to say that they go together. So some is added to that. And all other Rupani go same way. Gachanti means bahuvachanam, gacchati gacchata gachanti, sam gacchataha sam gachanti. So there is no difference. Is it okay, Mahoday?
Yeah.
Getting the concept small, little bit? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Mahoday.
So, Agre Parvati Mahoday.
It might create a totally new meaning.
So
Gachanti,
meaning may change
avagachanti.
and totally new meaning, which you cannot imagine what happened. But just by adding upsarga, entire meaning changes. How? And you have to see. Gachanti
Gachanti, avagachanti. So we are adding that upasarga ava. So gachanti, they go, transforms to they understand.
They understand.
Totally different.
So here you read this table.
Gacchati goes, agacchati comes, anugacchati follows, adhigacchati attains or understands, avagacchati understands, and upagacchati approaches.
Upagacchati. Gurum samipe. Gurum upagacchati. Shishyaha gurum upagacchati. So he approaches Guru or goes close to Guru. Guru samipe gacchati. So just by adding one upsarga, you also beautify your statement. Also, you know that this is going to create a big change in the meaning. Agree. Uma Mahoday.
ह्य धातुः हरति
ह्री धातु महोदय हृ धातु हृदय
हृ
how
हृ
do you
धातु
say हृ धातु
हृ धातु
हम्म,
हरति
हम्म.
to snatch to take away
हरणम you know ना सीता हरणम हरति अपहरति means something someone takes away snatch हाँ पठतु महोदय
praharati to beat, that is pra plus hra.
हम्म,
Aharati, ah plus hra, to bring,
हम्म.
to eat. So aharam comes from this.
हाँ yes it sounds like
Samharati, sam plus hra, so to kill.
हाँ संहारम संहारम
Samharam.
करोति that is संहरति
Viharati, vi plus hra, to roam, to wander.
So people say
Pariharati,
na we go for nauka vihar we go for udyana vihar so vihar is to roaming around some place and getting some pleasure out of nature the beauty of the place or with the company what you carry that is making you happy so you are doing viharanam so viharati to roam around wander just taking a stroll around ha mahoday antimam patatu
pariharati, pari plus hra, to resolve.
to resolve pariharam
Pariharam,
parihar you do
pariharam.
the solving samadhanam you dadat okay. So this is about Hri Dhatu. So see one Hri Dhatu when added with these Upasargaha, how differently it is going to express itself. So Dhatu needs Upasargaha and they are prefixed before the Dhatu. And Mahoday Pratyaya is how differently placed. Pratyaya and the dhatu, where it is placed. When we talk about pratyaya, we just did tavatu pratyaya thing and so. Where is it placed as compared to dhatu?
It is after the dhatu.
Yes, that is why pratyaya and this is upasargaha. Okay. अग्रे कस्य अवसरः फणिराज महोदय अद्य तुलसीराम महोदय नास्ति न नास्ति
Nasti.
It might intensify the root's basic meaning or leave it unchanged. It might intensify the root's basic meaning or leave it unchanged.
yes
Astu.
yes
Jayati,
so intensify the meaning intensify the meaning means to give some emphasis upon emphasizing or leave it unchanged so yeah agre pathatu
Jayati, sanjayati. Jayati, sanjayati. They conquer, they intensely or fully conquer. We can also use multiple upasargas at a time. So Jayati is winning.
Yes,
Sanjayati is victory, something like that.
Victory, and they fully conquer. Sanjayati means some is purnata, completeness of something. So
Sampurna Vijayata.
Sampurna Vijayam. They intensely or fully conquer. अग्रे पठतु महोदय पंडिराजु महोदय महोदय नास्ति अंतर्जाले किमपि
Should I
समस्या
continue?
हाँ ये you have to read महोदय complete
okay. Gachanti, gachanti, samagachanti, right? Samagachanti. They go, they come together, or they convene. So gachanti is they go, plural, bahuvachana. Samagachanti means they go together.
Yeah. Praniraj Mahoday, before you proceed, Gray, I have a question here. Can you break and tell me what are the upasargaha in Samagachanti?
Astu. Sa, upasarga, sa.
No,
Sa
take the
is,
help of here. Take the help
okay.
of.
So, astu. Let me see where there is halant sa. Su is it? Let me see.
First line.
I think it is Su only. Su plus.
No, Mahoday, Su is not there.
Su is not there.
I give you the clue. First line. Check the first line. Pra is not there.
Okay. Some.
Some. Yes, that's right. That's the right word.
Okay.
Some.
Okay.
And
Some.
Tatpashat Sama is not there.
Let me try. Some
Yes.
agachanti.
Try.
Some agachanti.
Huh?
No? Some agachanti.
So,
Some plus
agachanti.
agachanti.
Agachanti, some you separated. Agachanti, again you can separate one upsarga here.
Yes, again I can separate. Yes, a plus gachanti. So there are two
Uttamam
pratyas.
Mahoday.
I'm sorry, two
Two
upsargas.
upsarga. Uttamam
Some
Mahoday.
plus
Uttamam.
a plus gachanti. Samagachanti.
Uttam. You did it, Mahoday. Agree. Now complete the slide. Agree api pathatu Mahoday.
Nayanti.
Ha.
Samanayanti. Nayanti, samanayanti. Again, same thing. Some plus
Yeah.
a plus nayanti.
Yes. So they
Some
lead,
plus
they gather, all lead
together.
together.
Astu.
Samanayanti.
Samanayanti.
So, simply you have to be little careful, and then you would be able to means it is nothing. Simply you have to remember your upsarga list. There are only 22, and few are repeated most of the times, and others are less found. But as soon as you grow in the next class, you go in the Lata class, you will gradually use them in your words, in your sentences. So then you would be able to remember them by heart. Like we did it, prapara, uttasama, like this. We found our own rhyming and did it. You would also remember it. Not to worry at all for these upsargaha. Okay? So, agre gachamaha. It's very simple. Here. So, agree, Ishwaran Mahoday?
Yeah.
Oh, is this we did this here. This Prathamam Vakyam Pathatu Mahoday.
Shishuhu tasya vachanam anuvadati. Durjanaha
न अर्थः कः अर्थः वदतु शिशुः तस्य वचनम् अनुवदति
the child repeated the word
his words tasya his word anuvadati. This is lat lakarah, so repeats. I have to say in present tense. Shishuhu, the child, repeats his vachanam.
Okay, good.
And may I ask Mahoday, what upasarga do you see here in Anuvadati? The table, the list is here. You can see.
Yeah. No. Anu, the fifth one, the top.
Anu plus vadati
vadati.
May I know what is the dhatu here, Mahoday?
Vad.
Vad is the dhatu. Samyak, samyak. बहु सम्यक्. धन्यवादः महोदय. इदानीं नटराजन् महोदय, सेकेण्ड् वन् प्लीस्.
Durjanah parasparam vivadate. Durjanah, the bad people are Durjanah parasparam, together. Vivadate, is it to fight?
Yeah.
Or-
Argument.
Or argue. Vivadate. So instead of speaking together, vadate to speak, they are arguing together.
Arguing together.
V
And
is
V is
the
the-
upasarga there.
And
Vad
dhatu.
is that? Vad is the
Vadu.
dhatu.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं महोदय. अग्रे पार्वती महोदय, भवती करोतु कृपया.
Saha sarvatra. It's mam, is it? Sarvatra mam apavadati. Saha. What is mam?
Mam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. To me.
To
me. To me. Dvitiya
me.
Vibhakti.
Mam. Okay, mam. Sarvatra mam. Everybody came to meet me.
Saha.
No.
The
Everybody
karta is
talking to me.
saha.
Saha. Everybody.
Sarvatra.
Everyone.
No, not everybody.
All.
He. Saha is he. Ekvachanam. He. Sarvatra is everywhere. Everywhere. To me. Apavadati. Means talking bad about me. माम मुझको, हाँ मुझको, to me
talking
अपवदति.
badly about me.
हाँ सह सर्वत्र माम
Sarvatra
अपवदति.
mam apavadati.
अपवदति.
Oh.
उत्तमम्
Okay.
उत्तमं महोदय.
Vadatu and apa is the upasarga.
उपसर्ग. उत्तमं महोदय. उत्तमं. So अग्रे उमा महोदय. चतुर्थं
अहं गुरुदेवम् अभ्युपगच्छामि. So gachami, apa and upa. Apa and upa because abhyupa.
हाँ, परंतु you have to find how many उपसर्गाः अत्र
Apa and upa.
Apa, then abhyu how?
Upa.
Upa is correct, परंतु तत्पूर्वं किमपि अन्यम् अस्ति.
Apa and
List is here. Can you find a and bha somewhere? Just check. See, a and bha is there, na? A and bha you look for.
Abhi and upa.
Abhi and upa.
What does it mean? Abhyupagachami?
I am telling you, abhi and upa. So, ikaraha, ukaraha. Ikaraha becomes yakaraha. U takes it matra. So, abhyupa gachami. Upagachami, do you remember, Mahoday? Upagachami. Going closer to someone, sitting close to someone. So, abhi is just making it more beautiful to say it. Abhi upagachami. Nothing else. Abhi
So this
does
is
not
a stressing function basically of.
Yeah,
it
you may say
stresses.
that.
Okay.
Stresses beautifully. Okay. Abhyupagachami. Abhyupagachami. Clear, Mahoday?
Shishya,
Mahoday?
mam,
So the
Shishya.
meaning will be, sorry, so the
Is
meaning
it-
will be aham gurudevam abhyukta gachami will be I am
moving
going
towards
closer to the guru. Or is that
Uttamam.
right?
Sundar. Satyam. Correct. So, agre kasya avsarah? Faniraj Mahoday?
One doubt, ma'am.
What?
Which are the upasargas here?
Abhi
Abhi
and upa. Upa.
Oh, it changes. Upa. Upa.
Upa is where you can you find out Upa?
Second line.
Second line.
Last.
Last. That is
Ah.
correct.
So Upa and that becomes Bhu. Abhu.
Abhu. Abhi and Upa.
Upa. Mahoday.
Hmm.
That's again a
Agree.
Sandhi rule, is it?
क्षम्यतां महोदय पुनः वदतु.
Is it that's again a Sandhi rule?
Sandhi is here. Yes.
Okay.
Ikarah, ukarah. So ikarah changes to yakarah and ukarah takes it matra. Agre Paniraj महोदय भवतः अवसरः अहं ऊहयामि. उमा महोदय just did now. So भवतः अवसरः. अस्तु करोतु महोदय.
शिष्यः मां प्रतिवदति. Prati is the upasarga, vadati, kriyapadam, prativadati, replies back. The student replies back to me. Mom means mujhe, to me.
Yeah, to me.
Correct?
Shishyah, yes, to me he replies. Correct. उत्तमम्. अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय भवतः अवसरः.
पिता नगरात् आगच्छति. The upasarga is
पिता नगरात् आगच्छति. Is the upasarga. उत्तमं महोदय. Is the upasarga. Second line, first one, is the upasarga and gacchati is the kriyapadam. So agacchati is coming.
Okay.
And pita nagarat agacchati. Can you tell me the whole meaning of this sentence?
Father comes to the town.
Father comes to the town. Uttam. Nagarat. क्षम्यताम्. Nagarat, to the town, na, from the town. This
Okay,
vibhakti you have not studied up till now. This is Panchami vibhakti. When something separates from something, then Panchami vibhakti comes. Vricchata patati. From the vriksha, something falls down. Nagarata agacchati. Something comes from the city, means separated from the city. So this is Panchami vibhakti. Astu. So, one second. I just wish to ask one thing. There are few exercises that are still there on the slide deck. But would you like to do the Ashtadhyayi, because we have 30 more minutes, rather 20 more minutes, or shall I continue with the exercise? What do you suggest?
I think we should do it as part of the homework.
My question is whether would you like to do the Ashtadhyayi website to how to find dhatu, how to find arthaha or shabdaha, their rupani, or shall I continue with the abhyasaha?
You can do
I think
Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi will
that
be
tool is
Yeah.
that tool we
Ashtadhyayi.
need to constantly use, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
Ashtadhyayi, yes.
That's why I asked you what is your choice to continue with the exercise. Yeah, this is not a very difficult exercise. We will further, when you go to the homework and do some exercise, you would be able to do it. Need not worry about. So I stop sharing here and I check again.
Rita Mahoday?
Can you see this? This my website is visible to all? My screen visible?
Yes. Mother.
Am.
So what I have done, I have opened Ashtadhyayi website. The address is here, ashtadhyayi.com. Okay. So how to go about it? You simply click here. This is the main page. You will get this sort of main page. Now first I tell you how to do the dhatu patha, how to know patha dhatu. Say simple patha dhatu or gam dhatu or likh dhatu, any other dhatu. So what I have to do, I have to click this dhatu patha. Okay, so you have a notebook beside you, so simply write to find out the dhatu and its rupani, means lakara, the 10 lakaras are there. Na? Click dhatu patha. So now I am going to do the dhatu patha. So how it opens up? Here, atha paniniya dhatu patha. Second line says showing all the dhatus. Okay, now I have to search certain say likh dhatu. Astu. So I have to write here in this search browser likh. Likh. Okay. As soon as I wrote there likh, this appears. Is it visible to all?
Yes.
Everyone is getting?
Yes.
I clicked the name of the website, main page opened. Then from there, first I have taken up dhatu patha. Now here I am writing in Devanagari script. Many times it may take your English, Roman English also, LIKH. If you write LIKH, this will be likh. Only it will take likh dhatu. Astu? So now I have to see, before I click it, written here likh akshara vinyase, tudadi, parasmaipadi, sakarmaka, all these things you will not be able to understand. Parantu here you can understand to write, to scratch, to draw or to scribble. In Hindi, likhna. So this meaning is also given here. So you check whether this meaning you were searching or not. So likh is the dhatu. Likh means I have to write dhatu here. Sometimes if I write, I do not know what is the dhatu. Then I write likhati or whatever dhatu kriya padam I am searching. I try here. Astu. So now I am going to click likh here. Here. Hana? In this. Likh. See, what is opening here? First it is lat lakara. All 10 lakaras will open, and in this window, drop down window, red color, it is written as kartari. Kartari prayoge, all the dashalakaraha it will show. So show likhati likhataha likhanti. This you know. If you have to search, say lot lakaraha. So go down. Lat, after that lit comes. You are not going to study this. Lut, you are not going to study this. Rit, see, this you have done it. This is bhavishyat kalaha. Lekhishyati, lekhishyataha, lekhishyanti. So if you need some help in rit lakaraha, from here you can take the help. Suppose I have to search lot lakaraha. How likh dhatu is being written in lot lakaraha. So here there are optional forms are also written, but this is familiar to you. Likhatu likhatam likhantu. Pathatu pathatam pathantu. Then leave all the optional forms. You take whatever is has been means taught to you. Likhatu and likh. लिख लिखतम लिखत, लिखानि लिखाव, लिखाम. So this way you can search your lakarah, lang lakarah. So alikhat, alikhatam, alikhan. So this you find that your lang lakarah is written here. Simply, Akre, I think Vidhilinga lakara is not in your course. So there are 10 lakaras. Okay. This thing, what it gives, Kartari Prayogaha. Now, we have just studied Tavatu Pratyayaha. So, how to search Likh Dhatu and its Tavatu Pratyaya? Okay?
Ma'am,
So,
ekam prashna.
yeah.
I just revision. Lat is present, lat lakara is present, lrit lakara is future tense, lang lakara is past tense, lot will be
Agya, Prarthana.
Request.
You do
Oh,
this or may you do this?
to tell.
Ah.
Agnya or prarthana. Okay.
Astu.
Astu.
Shall I move? Is it
Yeah.
helping everybody? Isharan Mahoday?
Yes,
Is
yes,
it
yes.
helping?
So we can say Sambodhan, right? Not Sambodhan. Lot will not be Sambodhan, right?
Lat is the simple present, Vartamana Kala
Simple
Dhatu.
present.
Vartamana Kala.
For
Okay.
lot, it is only
Lot is Agya
Agnya.
or
Okay.
Prarthana. So we saw all the Dashalakaraha. Whatever is has been taught to you, you can take help for that. So if I go for, once I search this likh dhatu, so what else I can see from here? That is my second motto. You click this drop down. Red color drop down is here, where 1 by 19 Kartari is written. Here you click this drop down. See, so many things it can tell you, but you don't have to look for all. Go for Kridantaha. We did this Kridantaha. Okay. So Kridantaha means Tavatu Pratyaya we did. Shall I open it?
Yeah.
Please see. So these are all Kridantaha, but we did only Tavatu. Go down, go down, go down. See here what you find? Tavatu Pratyaya. Can everybody see this? Where my cursor is? Tavatu Pratyaya. So Tavatu Pratyaya, what is the Pratipadikam? Likhita Vat. Likhita Vat. And Pullinga is Likhitavan, Strilinga Likhitavati, and Napunsakalinga Likhitavat. So under Likhitvat, all Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napunsakalinga form is written here. How you can, suppose you want to see the Likhitavan, how can I know how the Rupani will go? Let us click this Likhitavan. I am clicking this on your right side. See. Can you see Likhitavan, Likhitavantau, Likhitavantaha? Up till now, we have only studied Ekavachanam, Van and Vantaha, Bahuvachana form. Okay, so is this familiar to you? Likhitavan and Likhitavantaha? Can you understand this? Likhitavan and Likhitavantaha?
Yeah.
Mahoday.
Yeah, Mahoday.
Okay.
So these are all the
Okay.
other vibhaktis, is it? Vibhakti forms?
Yeah,
The other?
yeah, because it's a Nam Padam, na? Likh Dhatu and Tavatu Pratyay. This is
Tavatu.
Nam Padam. So
Namapadam.
this, what we have studied up till now is Prathama Ekavachanam, Prathama Bahuvachanam. So there are many, all the Karma Padam and Upakaranam, then Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, and
Shashti,
Sambodhanam. Everything is there. But in your course, it is tavatu pratyay only in prathama ekavachanam, prathama bahuvachanam. Okay. When I say prathama vibhakti, it is always I am talking about karta. Astu. Now, tavatu pratyay likhitavat is the pratipadikam. I am now clicking likhitavati. So, likhitavati is Strilinga Rupam. See, likhitavati came. Likhitavati, likhitavatyah. We did this. Vati and vatyah. Don't bother about all those vibhakti. Simply what you studied, you remember that. Likhitavati. And you should know how to navigate up to this point. How to search them. Okay. Click somewhere and agre, yeah, Napunsakalinga. Oh, sorry. Where is my tavatu? Here. So likhitavat, likhitavanti. We did this. Pathitavat, pathitavanti. We did this. So all the rupani of the kridantaha, whatever you studied, you can get. Now, one more thing. Since we are dealing with the upasargaha today, and one likh dhatu, we can see how many upsargaha it can use. So upasargarthaha. Can you all see this blue color?
Yeah.
Correct, na? So here I am going to click it upasargarthaha for the upasarga meaning. See, V plus likh. Ashtadhyayi says it is easy to add V here. Vilikhalam. Abhilikhanam also, Abhilekha I have also seen. But with likh dhatu, V if added, so in Hindi it is written. Chitra utarna means to draw something. Vishesh roop se likhna, beautifully writing. That is Vishesh roop se likhna, spasht likhna, legible writing. So that is vilikhati. Okay, so one dhatu is over. Now can you suggest one dhatu? Another dhatu? You suggest which you would like to search.
Da.
Dha? Da?
Yeah, run.
Acha, dhav. Okay. Okay. So what I got? Dhav. Read it. Dhav gati shuddhayoh bhwadi ubhaypadi sakarmaka. To run, to flow, to cleanse, to wash. See, there are two meanings of dhava dhatu. To run is one meaning and second meaning is to wash. Jana, daudna या फिर स्वच्छ करना. So let us click this here. I am going to click this green dhav. Upasarga we did not, that's why upasarga opened. Go up, we are going to do kartari. Dhavati dhavatah dhavanti. Since this is Ubhaypadi dhatu, you get Parasmaipadi also, Atmanepadi also. In your later classes, in this year itself, we are going to study what is the difference between Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi. So, Parasmaipadi dhatu, dhavati, dhavatah, dhavanti. This is kartari lat lakaraha. Okay. So, lat lakaraha goes like this. Now, going down, down, down. And see lrit lakarah bhavishyat kalah dhavishyati dhavishyatah dhavishyanti. So you got the help how to write in lrit lakarah dhava dhatu. Again, if you wish to know lot lakarah dhavatu dhavatam dhavantu. So you got lot lakarah also. And going to your bhutakalah, langalakaraha also. So adhavat, adhavatam, adhavan. See, adhavam, adhava, adhavav, adhavam. So this is langalakaraha. So these are all lakaras. You can take help from here. Now again I will search for kridantaha. So kridantaha going down, down, here, here. This kridantaha. Let's check. Here, since we have studied only tavatu pratyaya, let's go to tavatu. It is dhautavat. This kradantaha they have given us here for cleansing purpose, not for running. If it is running, it is dhavitavat, dhavitavan, dhavitavantaha. So here it is cleansing, dhautavat. So how the pullinga shabda will go? See, dhautavan, dhautavantaha. The pattern is same. So tavatu should be easier for you. Van and vantaha. Ekavachanam, bahuvachanam, pullinga. Click here, here. And check strilinga shabdaha. Dhautavati, dhautavatyaha. Okay. Click outside somewhere. Dhautavat. This is Napunsakalinga. So here it is. Here in the black window, it says Dhautavat is the Pratipadikam. Dhava is the Dhatu. And what they have added? Tavatu Pratyaya they have added after the Dhatu to get Tavatu Rupani. Dhautavat, this one, and Dhautavanti, Napunsakalinga. Okay.
But if it is
So
running, ma'am,
that is
Dhavit.
Dhavit. Everywhere Dhavit. Dhavitavan, Dhavitavantaha.
Dhavitavanta.
Dhav.
Okay.
Okay. So let's check if there is there are many dhatu where this website has not given upsargaha. Let's check whether here it is there or not. Dhav. So upsargaha here 16 and by 19 upsargarthaha. See, anu plus dhav. They have only given Hindi meanings. So, anudhavanti, vadati is means repeating something. So, here, piche piche bhagna means following someone. Someone is running, you are following him. Abhi plus dhava, coming close. A plus dhava means niche, climbing down. Paridhav, jaldi means faster running. And pradhava, that is also faster running. So this another window is here. You can take help of this window. So I am just showing what else you can do with this Ashtadhyayi website. Okay. How much time is there? Okay. Already crossed the limit. The time is up. What to do? I wanted to show. Can you all stay for few more minutes?
Yes.
Yes. For me, it is okay.
For Natarajan Mohan, not possible.
No, it is
You
okay.
have. Okay.
I can.
Okay. Okay. So I will show one. Here we did what? Dhatu Pathaha. On your right side of the screen, you see there are 3 dots. So every time going back from here is not possible from left side arrow. So what you do, these horizontal lines are there, you click. So what happens? We did Dhatu Pathaha. Now, can we go for Shabda Pathaha or Koshan Veshanam? Here you can get the meaning. So, suppose I want to search a word vague, and want to see what its meaning is. So, I will type here vague. Vega, Vega. So Koshanvesha for the Shabdakosha in a way dictionary to get the meaning. So Vega will not take halanta. Okay, Vega. This is Pratipadikam. And maybe they are giving you the Samanarthakaha. See, Amar Kosha. All these are dictionaries. Amar Koshaha, Shabda Kalpadrumaha, Vachaspataha, Shabdartha Kaustubaha, Tatpashat Apte, and Monier Williams, and Apte Sanskrit and Hindi. This is these many dictionaries. It will open to find you the meaning of Vega. So first, let us go and see what Amar Koshaha says. Vega avichedena jaladi pravrittihi. This you would be finding difficult. Go down where you find your own word. So samanarthakaha, you find pravaha, pravritti or veg. So you get here. Some or the other website will tell you the meaning. Okay, if you do not follow the Sanskrit word, go for the English word, English dictionary, Apte Practical Sanskrit English Dictionary. You see here, vague, speed, velocity, rapidity, and agitation, impetuosity, violence, force. So many meanings are there for one vague. So whatever suits your context, select that meaning. Astu? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, agree, one more word we will search. Say, I am going to search, what shall I search? You give me one word. Ishvara, shall I search? Ishvara?
Yeah.
Okay. Ishvara. See, so when I search, suppose I wanted to know the meaning, what is the meaning of Ishvara? Okay. So how many dictionaries it has given? Amar Koshaha, Shabdakalpadrumaha, Vachaspatyam, Shabdartha Kaustubaha, Apte Sanskrit English, and Apte Sanskrit Hindi, and Monier William. So Amar Koshaha says Ishwaraha means Pullinga Shabdaha asti. It means Shivaha. Okay. Ishwaraha means Adhipatihi. And Samanarthakaha, you Samanarthaka here, see, so many words are Shulina, Maheshwaraha, Ishwaraha, Sharvas, Ishana, Shank. How many Paryayvachi Shabdaha? Here Adhipatihi. And then English, go, English, go down faster. We are running short of time. Go. Okay, I have to drag you down. Okay. Here. English. Yeah. So we found here. So, English dictionaries. Mahoday. Okay. Ishwara. Ishwara, maybe in English, how they are describing Ishwara. Powerful, able, capable of, or rich and wealthy, a lord, a master. So whatever suits your context, you take that meaning. Astu? So what else we saw? We saw Koshanveshaha. We did Dhatu Pathaha. And now we go to Shabda Pathaha. Shabda Pathaha, let us take one word, Vidhi. V-I-D-H-I. Vidhi. So what Shabda Pathaha will tell us? Vidhi is the Shabda. His meaning is Brahma or Praktan Shubha Shubha Karmaha athva Vidhana Shastram Vidhanam. So my objective is here how these, how the Rupani for Vidhi Shabdam will go. Vidhi, how its Rupani will go. Okay. It's not going up.
You can click on Vidhi.
Okay, maybe Vidhi.
No, the red one. The red one.
Clicking. It's not showing.
So it comes up.
It comes up. I don't know why it's not. Anyway.
It comes.
No, again. So search something, hurry. Okay, it is giving Parna. Let's see. Oh, it's this thing is giving Parnayati, Kriya Padam it's giving. No, I want a Shabda Pathaha. Again, I will click. Now it is here. It has not changed earlier. So Vidhi, V-I-D-H, Vidhi. Okay. Now you give. Okay, not giving. Moody. Let's check what is wrong here. Shabda Pathaha. Okay. Let's take here.
I could get it.
Yeah.
It shows Pratama, Dvitiya, Chaturthi, Panchami.
Yes. Hurry.
All the different vibhakti.
Okay. I took another word, hurry. So hurry is, I'm taking the first one. Hurry. It is giving only Shabda Patha, it's not giving vibhakti for some reason. I don't know. Okay. Something is here. Maybe. Shall I take from the Mukha Prastha? Okay. I try here. No luck today is not giving. But I am getting it. Various times I am getting it here. No luck. Anyway, one more website is there. That is Sanskrit Abhyasa. I don't know why this website is not working. Maybe some problem. Where Shabda Patha is there, na? You write Hari or Vidhi or Guru, whatever you wish to search for. It will give all the Vibhakti forms there. All the Vibhakti forms. So, next, I think it is already 15 minutes gray we have gone. So, in the next class, we will take Sanskrit Abhyasaha. Ashtadhyayi you saw today. Sanskrit Abhyasaha is very easy, and there you will get the all Vibhakti forms. So I think today we should start, we should stop here, and I will show that Prarthana Shlokan, Mangal Shlokan.
One question, Mahoday.
Vadatu Mahoday.
See the homeworks that we do, Gruha Karyam, not getting the feedback, what we have done, anything corrections from your side, last few Gruha Karyams. I don't know if it's the case with everybody.
It's a homework thing you are asking?
Yeah.
Homework correction?
Yeah. Not, feedback is not coming.
Yeah, Mahoday, I know that the lady, she took this task of homework correction. Her daughter's marriage was there in December somewhere. So I think that's why she stopped doing that, and because it is all volunteership. So we have to wait. She started doing, and then she had to stop. Daughter's marriage got fixed. She is in US, so she couldn't do it. I just messaged her, how are the things there? And she expressed this. Maybe in a couple of days or next week, she will begin her work, and then she will help us. And I am really hard pressed against time, so I cannot do that. And I also do not know how to do it. There's some tool that is applied, and with the help of that tool, you do the corrections. So I do not know also, and plus I'm hard pressed against time. I'm not in my country, so that's why all these things are. But you will get your answer sheet for your pariksha, and accordingly one means you can self-correct it and upload it there, what I learned from the organizers. So in a
Yes, ma'am. Sorry to
Parikshas, I've got the reply from Deepak ji. He's corrected it and put the marks as well, and given what where you have gone wrong or where you have corrections needed as individual.
Yes.
So I didn't get it. I don't know why.
Maybe
Probably he's doing it.
Samutta.
Yeah.
He
Yes,
might
ma'am.
be doing also.
Yes, ma'am. Every time you set homework, because yours is very less, we do not have to do it from Vakya Vyavahara or anywhere else. So if you could post the answer sheet, we can do a self-correction.
Mine, you're
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
about mine.
Yeah. Your homework gets over very fast.
Actually, that I understand. But what happens now? To write over some answer sheet is very difficult. If I have to write on a plain sheet and put it there, then it becomes easy, because that one of my colleague has already committed to this homework gradation work. That is why I am not taking up this.
Okay.
She will revert back in a week or two, maybe, and then she will do all the corrections. I just mentioned that she is in US and her daughter got married. That's why. After some work is there, that's why a family responsibilities come. Astu, so shall I say request Natarajan Mahoday, कृपया मंगल श्लोकान करोतु. Whatever is left in the slide now, I will either do this in homework, and if at all something still remains in Upasargaha, I will take up in the next class. Astu Natarajan Mahoday, कृपया.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Sarve Bhavantu Sukinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harigi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harigi Om Tat Sat.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः.
When is our next class, madam? Sorry.
Next class would be not this one Thursday will go 9th of January. The next Thursday in the January comes 9th.
Okay.
So
7th and 9th. Tuesday class if it is there. Deepak ji will have 7th. And then 9th
and
also
then,
will have that.
yes.
Okay,
yes.
thanks.
Okay.
धन्यवाद.
So धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः.
पुनर्मिलामः.
पुनर्मिलामः.